Chaser Reed Timmer, now in Richland, Texas. This is Richland Creek, obviously well over its bank. The water in there is probably 10, 15 feet deep, maybe even deeper. And this is a stretch of I-45 that was closed all last night. And this water is flowing too. You can see it over here. It's a flash flood. It rose very rapidly. This area had 17, 18 inches of rain since yesterday. And any vehicle that tried to go through there definitely had to be rescued. Right now they've got this exit blocked off. This is an exit off of I-45 right in Richland, Texas. And the rain continues to come down. Right now we've got moderate to heavy rain, probably ½ inch to an inch an hour, and that could ramp up as the day goes along. Right now we're headed toward Houston, where the heavy rain is beginning to shift toward that area as the moisture from Patricia emerges from northern Mexico and congeals with this upper low. Could be more devastating flooding in the southeast part of the state as these floodwaters flow down the river toward that area as well. From Richland, Texas, for AccuWeather, this is Reed Timmer.
And here's a map showing here's Dallas and here's Richland, Texas. It's about 15.
This is Storm Chaser Reed Timmer from Corsicana, Texas. The morning after, the 17.5 inches of rain caused catastrophic flash flooding around the area. Last night there were several water rescues, including on Interstate 40.